Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to create a gorgeous coily crocheted hairstyle. This hairstyle can be mistaken as a knotless braid because you can actually flip the braids anywhere you want it. It can also be mistaken as a single plait, which is an individual braid, because it looks so much like an individual braid. So if you are excited to learn how to achieve this beautiful hairstyle, make sure to stick around until the end of the video. Okay, now this cornrow is a game changer. If you want a good tutorial on how I made my cornrow, I'll be linking a video above the screen so you can click on it after watching this. But however, you'll be needing a good crochet pin to install your crochet. It is installation time. Yes, right now we're going to be installing the crochet in, but please, I want you guys to pay attention to my crochet pin. Yes, because the crochet pin will be doing all of the work, so just pay close attention to my crochet pin. If you pay very close attention to my crochet pin, you will see the way I'm sliding the crochet pin onto my client's cornrow. So when next you are installing your next cornrow, please, I want you to slide your crochet pin onto your client's head just the way I'm doing. I will explain why I said so. So pay attention to this very one I'm going to install right now. I like to pull in the crochet pin a little bit out and then drag it out, and I don't want to pull it too much from the top side, from the base, but I pull it a little bit from the root. If you understand what I'm saying, that's the reason why I said pay attention. You can see how that looks like a single plait. That is the illusion I want you to have when you are installing your next crochet. Seriously. And the only way you can have this look on your crochet is when you are sliding the crochet pin the way I'm sliding it, so that you don't end up installing your crochet and your crochet is standing. Because when you slide it this way, you are rest assured that your crochet is going to be laying flat, like it's lying flat. That is what we are looking to achieve. You don't want to install your crochet whereby one will be standing, you're struggling to lay it down and it's not laying down. Please pay attention to that. And one other thing it will help you to do when you slide your crochet pin just the way I'm doing right now, it gives the crochet a very good grip on the cornrow. You will have a very good grip on your cornrow. Just pay attention to this one I'm doing right now. Look at the grip. Just look at how good it looks. It looks like you are actually having a single braid on, not a crochet. So pay attention to that. So if you pay attention to the cornrow, like the boss cutting on the cornrow, you will notice that after installing the crochet extension, like knotting it into the cornrow, you will find out that there is a part in between each boxes. You can see, just look at the arrow. So that actually gives you like an individual, give you an illusion that you're having an individual braid. So that is what you need to pay attention to as well if you want your crochet to look more like an individual braid. So guys, when installing a crochet for a client, please have a conversation with them. Do they want you to take out the edges so they can gel it, or do they want you to just cornrow everything? So it's worth asking your customer which they would prefer, because some clients just prefer to cornrow everything so that they don't go through the hustle of styling their edges, but some have time for the paparazzi. So you ask your client, what do they want? What do they want? Yeah. Also, I would like to mention that when installing your crochet, please make sure you're putting the crochet pin from the root, like the cornrow, from the bottom. I've seen some installer who will tell you don't put it from the bottom. The only reason why you shouldn't put it from the bottom is when the client hair is very, very thick, which means it will be so bulky that when you pick it from the bottom, it will be so thick that the cornrow can unravel. If not that, if it's as tiny as my installation, please put your crochet pin from the root. It gives it more better illusion like single braid. And if you want to install this, if you want to, you can see that my client is so happy about this installation. She really love her hair. So guys, I'm going to apologize. I realized that my hand is blocking the camera a little bit. Pardon me, but you can still see what I am doing, right? Yes. So what I want to call your attention to on this session is for you to pay attention to how I install the crochet on this session. What you will notice is that the crochet pin is also facing towards my direction, even though I've moved from the other side to another side of my client. So what I want you to put on your head is that whenever you are making your crochet installation, make sure that you have in mind that the crochet pin is supposed to be facing towards your direction. With that on your mind, you won't actually get it wrong. Yes, just have it in your mind that your crochet pin is supposed to be facing towards your direction. With that, you have a flatter installation, a more better grip, and more or less like an individual braid. Look at how flat that came out. It came out really, really beautiful. And look at the back. Even from the back, you will hardly notice that it's a crochet. It looked more or less like an individual braid. It came out really, really beautiful. And take a minute and look at that coils at the back. The coils are really, really good. It came out very, very beautiful. And if you would like to order this extension, I'll be leaving our Instagram handle on the description section. Don't hesitate to check it. We deliver worldwide. And if you've watched this extent, it means you're actually loving this video. If you do like the video, please don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop a comment before leaving. Let me know the tutorial you'd like to see on the channel next. And for those of you who don't like to stay in the salon all day to braid your hair, I think you should actually look at crochet. They are really, really beautiful. If you get a very good installer, you will really love your crochet. It's beautiful. And you can also send this tutorial to your stylist just to give them an idea of what you would like them to install for you. So guys, that will be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'm going to see you guys on my next one. Bye.